If you wanna know how I created this look, keep on watching. Hi, welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be creating a look around this eyeshadow palette from Kaleidos. It's a beautiful palette. I'll just show you. Can you see the packaging? This has this holographic effect on it. It has this dual chrome effect. Oh, I love this one. I'm using this MAC Fix Plus. It's too tiny and cute. I actually have the bigger version, but it's over. So I'll just wait for it to dry a bit. And also, did you love my last video which I uploaded on red lip? Do let me know in the comments below. Next, we'll move on with a moisturizer. This is from Clinique. And if you're looking for something affordable, then just go for Cetaphil moisturizer. I'm using this strobe cream from MAC. I'm just applying it on my high points. I love this brush so much, and you can use this brush in multiple ways, which is just amazing. And it's an Indian brand. I'm using this flawless filter from Charlotte Tilbury. Using this foundation from K Beauty. This is in the shade 135 and medium. Other one is 145 neutral. I'll just mix the both. Don't forget your neck and ears so that you know everything is even. Also, in this weather, my hair is getting so frizzy. It's so difficult to manage my hair. I just blow dried my hair, but look, it's already frizzy. Next, I'll be using this concealer from Too Faced. And whatever is left on my sponge, I'll just take it on to my eyelids. So I'll set my face with this loose powder from Laura Mercier. This color on my crease, it's called Promenade. So I just took it all over my crease and just extended it outwards. I'll just take a fluffy brush and blend it. I'm using this shade in Salmon Skyline on my outer corners. I'm taking this brown shade in Soy Sauce. I'll take a flat brush and just spray this setting spray on it. This is a great tip to, get the maximum pigment. Okay, it definitely has a lot of fallout. I don't know if you can see it on camera. I don't mind the fallout with the payoff it gives. This is a great hack. You can just take a tiny piece of sellotape and just do this and it's off. Just very lightly with very light hand. I'll just use this shade Promenade and Salmon color for my under eyes. I've just added a tiny wing. Next, I'll be curling my lashes. If you just want to open up your eyes, just put mascara on your lower lashes as well. If you follow me for a while, you'll know that I love using lipsticks as a blush. So I'll be using this shade from MAC, which is called Taupe. This pinkish brown color. I'll be using my sponge. I think I'll go with this pink shade, to just match my eyes. So for my lips, I'll be using these two products. This is Liquid Lip by Lakme and this is Maybelline gloss. This is how my look turned out, and I really love it. Also, do consider to subscribe to my channel. Let me know in the comments how do you guys like this look. Thank you. I'll see you in my next video.